We are creating a mix, a fusion with two of my most viral recipes, the creamy lemon spaghetti and the lemon ricotta pasta. We're combining the two into a pasta bake with these amazing giant shells. What we're creating here is a stuffing with lemon and ricotta, and then we're creating a bechamel sauce to go onto it, which is really a creamy lemon sauce that's gonna be slathered on top. The first thing you wanna do is create the ricotta filling for the giant shells. And this is simple. Ricotta, lemon juice, lemon zest, pecorino, a pinch of salt, and a scrunch of pepper. So we're going to use the ricotta, then I'm gonna add a lemon juice, I think about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, some lemon zest, a scrunch of pepper, some pecorino cheese, pinch of salt. We have the filling. While the pasta is still cooking, we are making our bechamel lemon sauce. Now, this is not a regular bechamel. There is no flour in it, although there is butter, garlic, and heavy cream with lemon zest and lemon juice. We're going to be smothering our shells with this one for the topping part of it. Pasta water is boiling, let's salt it. Toss your shells before we actually do the filling and the bechamel sauce. We're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to mix it in with beautiful minced garlic.
Perfect.
So 3 tablespoons of butter go in with 2 minced garlic cloves, and now we let it melt. I'm adding straight away the lemon zest. Juice of half a lemon goes in. Give it a nice stir at this point. This is a very fast cream, 5 minutes. You do not want to burn it. The heavy cream goes in. You let it bubble on the side, mildly, just like that. It's time to add the Parmigiano cheese. We use no flour. This is my lemon bechamel, quote-unquote, sauce. We're using cream instead of milk, and we're using the power of the lemons with the butter and the garlic. The moment you see the Parmigiano melting, you can tell, look, there's no Parmigiano in there. Look at this. The moment the Parmigiano is gone and it's melted, it's time to switch it off. Got the sauce, we got the filling. The pasta has been ready, is al dente, very al dente, and it's been cooling down. It's time to assemble the lemon, the ultimate lemon temptress. We put a tiny bit of our lemon cream at the bottom to avoid sticking of the pasta. And now we take our extra al dente pasta and we start filling it up. Okay, we got this gorgeous flower of stuffed shells, and now it's time to cover it with our lemon creamy bechamel sauce.
Go.
This is the ultimate obsession. I mean, look at this cream falling into all the crevices. Look at this. Oh my god.
Wow.
Just to create that extra crunchiness on top, just sprinkle a little Parmigiano. This is going in the oven. 380 for 25 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's bubbling with joy. And now we're going to be joyfully eating it. Just put them like that.
Senti che scotta. È buona.
Oh my god.
I wanna try one. So bad.
Bye. It really wants to make you happy. It's so delicate,
Jesus,
but also
wow.
powerful with all the different cheeses. It's basically like a 4-cheese lemon pasta bake. Make this, let me know how it goes. Let me know if it made you so happy, it made your loved ones happy. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you let me know how this recipe turned out. Don't forget to subscribe again, just in case you haven't done it at the beginning. See you next time. Remember, you are amazing. Bye!